Okay, so hello guys. Today is Friday night. It's like 6 or 7 p.m. already, and I decided to walk and like do wildlife photo for isa sa mga hilig ko kasi dito sa Canada is wildlife photography, because I'm really amazed with how abundant wildlife is here. Sobrang protected kasi nila, and you can't just hunt them or hindi mo sila pwede saktan kasi they're really protected. And ang daming mga ano dito, nagro-roving na mga DNR, yung mga police, parang ano sa atin, DNR sa atin, and they're really strict and imposing the law. So the good thing is dumadami yung mga wildlife, yung mga birds, deer, ano-ano pa. So that's what I'm gonna do today. Hi, how are you?
Oh, not too bad.
Good. Good day.
Nice lens on your camera.
Thank you. It's for wildlife.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Yeah, thank you. Yun, may nakasalubong tayo mga nagtitrail din dito. So here, ito yung woods guys, and not sure what else to show here. Ito. So I had a deal with me po na I can't go past the sa road. Gusto ko kasing sumuot dyan yung mga ano, yung sulok-sulukan or like yung wala pang trail. Gusto kong pasukin talaga yan kasi dyan yung maraming animals. I just have to like really be careful with bears kasi meron ding mga bears dito. So but yeah, I made a promise to Mipo that I'm only gonna be walking in the trail, at kung ano yung madaanan ko yun lang yung pipicture ko. But yun lang, ang hirap mag ano dito, maghanap ng birds kung nasa trail ka lang. So I'm just gonna continue walking. This is actually good thing. The good thing about doing wildlife photography is that kahit maghapon kang maglakad at wala kang makitang wildlife na gusto mong picturean, is nasa labas ka, naglalakad ka, so nag-exercise ka. So yun yung maganda. And yeah, I'm just gonna continue looking for wildlife or something I haven't seen before here, and I'll try to take a video of it. Oh, yun, gulat ako, may biglang ano, meron palang deer guys. Yan. Yan, it's a wild deer. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but ang dami ko ng picture ng deer, so I'm just gonna ignore it. But nagulat ako dun, bigla na lang may kumalabog sa gilid. Yan. Kasi meron ding mga bear dito. Yung bear yung aggressive talaga, yung black bear, talagang pumapatay yun ng tao. Ang daming naano na dito, yun, nagdidisgrasya. So I just have to be careful with that. But aside from that, yun lang naman. Aside from that, all is good. So napanap lang ako dito. Yung lens nga pala na gamit ko is 150 to 600 mm f5.5 to 6.3 from Sigma. And the body, the lens, I mean the camera that I'm using is the Sony A7 III. So perfect combination for wildlife photography. Wala na tayong, I still need to study more about kung anong uri yung mga bird na lumalabas paghapon, or anong, saan yung magandang location na maraming mga ibon, yung mga ganun. Kasi meron yan eh, nakita ko yan dati, but yun lang, I just decided to go out without even like reading and stuff. So nag-aano lang kung anong makita, yun na ang pipicturean. Anyways, I'll talk to you in a bit. So I haven't been here before. Ngayon na ako nakapasok sa trail na to. Medyo madilim siya. I'm not sure if it's gonna be showing in the GoPro, but medyo madilim siya dito, guys. But there's like a bridge here. Okay. I've been walking for like 30 minutes already and I haven't seen any exciting species to take picture with yet. But this is the bridge here. Wow, it's nice. Maganda siguro mag picture dito, family photo. Maybe we can use this as an, yeah, maybe we can use this as a feature spot for like family photography. So here, I don't know which way to go now. There's like two ways here. So I don't know if I would go to the right or to the left. Right turn or a wrong turn. I'm not sure. We are going to the wrong turn. So the left turn. Wala pa rin akong, yan, may singing bird. Ano ba yung tawag nun? Songbird. I'm not sure if the audio of this GoPro is really that good to pick up like audios sa paligid, but I can hear a bird now. I'm just gonna continue walking here and see if I can find anything, and I'll talk to you again in a few minutes. Okay, so almost an hour walking and I'm not even really sure where I am now, but oh, it says jump trail. But wala pa rin ako nakikitang ibon. There's a huge cliff here. Delikado mahulog dito, guys. Sobrang steep ng bangin. And yeah, wala pa rin akong nakakitang interesting na gusto kong picturean na bird. I'm looking for falcon or yung mga di ko pa na pipicturean before. Pero ganyan talaga yung wildlife photography. If ayaw na magpakita, then wala tayong magagawa. Just gonna keep walking. This is also like a sort of exercise for me, para naman pagpapawisan din. Talk to you again in a bit. Okay, so I've been walking for like almost an hour now. It's already 7:30 p.m. and medyo malayo na rin ako. I'm not even sure which part of Rockwood this is, but ang alam ko is I took the turn na papunta sa main road, so probably this will lead me there. I'm just not sure. Wala pa namang signal ngayon. So yung maganda dito sa yung wildlife photography, guys, is that hindi mo napapansin yung oras na ilang oras ka na palang naglalakad, because naaliw ka naman. Ako lagi na ako nakatingin sa taas kung merong mga bird or anything exciting to take photos with. pag may naririnig kang bird, talagang nawawala yung pagod mo. Na-excite ka ulit. So yun. It's okay kung wala man ako makuhang magandang photo ngayon. It's fine as long as I was able to like take a very long walk, and I enjoyed like seeing nature, watching surroundings, like breathing fresh air. That's priceless. So I think I'm just gonna show you the photos that I took like the other day of the bird. It's waxwing. I forgot the exact name, but I'm just gonna put it here above, and I'm gonna show it to you kung ano yung ibig sabihin. But yeah, lakad-lakad lang ako, continue to walk and see if may mahanap ako kung ano dito. Then I'm gonna talk to you again in a few minutes. I'm not sure what was that, but grabe, lakas ng ano. Woo! It's just literally just stop, but grabe ang lakas ng ano nun, yung sound ng ibon na yun. Parang sobrang lapit na. I think it's hiding somewhere and on this grasses here. Saan na ba to? This is literally my first time to be here on this spot, in this location. So, I really don't know kung anong kung saan papunta tong road na to. So we're on another crossroad again. It's either we go to this part or this. So it says tall grass, 0.5. It's 500 meters. So itong side na to, para saan naman to? Trans-Canada Trail. Wow. I literally haven't been here, and I'm not sure what to expect. It's just adventure talaga. Nakakaano. I've been walking for almost an hour now. Wala pa rin photos, and I don't know where I am. But ang ganda ng mga flowers dito. So I'm just gonna continue with the trail and see where this would lead me to. And it's already 8:30 p.m. Medyo madilim na rin. And yeah, just stay there, guys. Just don't leave me. I just wanna go home. Parang nanervous ako nun sa ano kanina. I'm just gonna go back to the main road. I'm not sure if this will lead me to the main road, but hopefully it will. Because it's dumidilim na and wala pang signal ngayon. So I'll talk to you in a few minutes. Bibilisan ko na yung paglakad ko. Okay, so after more than like 2 hours of walking, guys, I'm still here, and the only picture that I got is a picture of a crow, which is a very common, so it's not that impressive. But sobrang gutom na ako, and pagod na rin, so medyo I'm starting to feel the fatigue now. So, uwi na ako. I'm just gonna show you the video. I mean, the picture of the birds that I took yesterday. And then, yun lang. This is it. This is wildlife photography. Ito yung isa sa mga hobby ko dito sa Canada. I even love taking photos of wildlife more than taking photos of people. Like, pag may nagpapa-picture sa akin, I'm just like really doing it because kaibigan ko or kakilala ko, but it's not like really something that interests me. Talagang I'm just dragging myself pag ganyan. But when it comes to taking like wildlife photos, yun, hindi ako napapagod kahit abutin ng gabi. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut the vlog here or end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you again. Daghang salamat, amping mong tanan. Bye.
You lifted me up, you sailed me away. The world keeps on turning, the struggles never end, but take